One peaceful morning, Miss Meow received a phone call that would change 4 little lives forever. A cleaning lady from Playa Hermosa whispered.
A cleaning lady desperately explained, "Someone has been trying to poison this mother cat and her babies. She had been hiding them every day, but she couldn't hide them anymore."
And her 3 tiny kittens. "I'm coming."
Miss Meow arrived as quickly as she could. She was painfully thin, yet every bit of strength she had, she gave to her babies. "You don't have to be hungry anymore. A mother's love never gave up. With every mile, thank you for saving them. They left fear behind. You're safe now. For the first time in a long time, this little family was finally on their way home." Family arrived safely at Purr Vida Lounge. No more hiding. No more fear. We hope to see you very soon. Follow us.
Support us.